Namaste to all my fellow meditators. Friends, today we will learn about self-esteem. Yesterday we saw about what are the affirmations, and today we saw what we will go through about what is self-esteem and what are the affirmations we can make in order to increase our self-esteem and how to deal with it. Self-esteem is nothing but how do you feel about yourself and how confident you are. One thing is sure that without having a good thoughts or without having a positive thoughts, you cannot have a self-esteem. It is not possible to have a self-esteem with a negative thoughts. Okay. First, we have to take out all the negative thoughts within ourselves and then start feeling good about yourself. Once you start feeling good about yourself, whatever the way you are, start feeling good about yourself, and then your you will increase your confidence. Once you have developed the confidence builds your self-esteem, which means each step feeds to the other step. So first step is take out all your negative thoughts and then increase feel good about yourself, whatever the way you are. That will increase the confidence within you, and once you are within the confidence, and then that increase your self-esteem. Okay. Self-esteem is the way that you think about yourself. When you have a way to think about yourself, why to think low about ourselves? When you can dream big. In the dreams also, why that poorness, right? So when you are thinking about the good about you, so think very high, very good. Think you have a freedom to think whatever you want to, right? So think about yourself and think about wonderful about yourself. You know that you are so as a kid, if you take, right, when we born as a kid, we are a very tiny baby, and we are very pure souls that time. We do not have any of these external things. We are pure souls, and we know that we are the center of universe. Okay. So when we are the little babies, do you think, what do you know, how the little babies are getting survived? Do you think they are surviving because of the milk and food? No. Little babies are surviving because of love. Each and every cell of a baby needs love. So only when the baby gets a love, then only baby can survive. So babies needs the love, and they are very free to express whatever the feeling they have, right? So if they are angry, your mom will know. Not only your mom, whole colony or whole apartment will get to know that you are angry, right? So similarly, to express their feeling, they have no guilt, no hesitation, no shame, no comparisons. The kids won't compare. They were happy all the time. For nothing also they will be happy. For us, if we want to become a happy, we need to have a reason to be happy also. But kids, whereas the kids, for nothing also they'll feel happy, and they can express whatever they feel that they have, feelings that they have, feelings and the thoughts that they can express very happily. So because they know that they are a wonderful child. But as we grow older, so our society, our parents will taught us all the different feelings. Oh, you can do this, you cannot do that, only you can do this, this is only possible, the inadequacy, all the feelings of inadequacy, all the feelings of limitations will start flow in our life. So we forget that we are the just a pure soul. We forget, and we will be start living with the limited thoughts and limited feelings. We start living there. So now what we should do is, it is a time to increase our self-esteem. It is a time that we have to take out all our negative thoughts, all our limited thoughts, all our old beliefs, keep aside, and fill up your life with the pure souls, like if you become a child, right? Once again, you become a child and fill all your life with the positive thoughts. So once you live the positive thoughts, you will become confident. Once you are a confident, your self-esteem will get increased. Okay. What is an exercise in order to increase your self-exercise? Yeah, in this, Louise Hay did only one mantra. Okay, one mantra, and she exercised, she did this exercise on many of the people that came across in her life to with her. That is, I approve myself. The only one mantra to increase your self-esteem is, I approve myself. Whatever the way you are, first you approve yourself. Don't think that I will be good only if I lose 10 pounds. I'll be good only if I buy a new home. I'll be good only if I buy a luxury car. Don't put all the things. I'll be happy only that. I'll be happy. No one. When you buy a new home, then you will become a one more wish that you'll be happy only when you get a good furniture. Then you will become only no, something else, right? So there is no limit. That is not the thing. These are all the external things are not the one which is actually giving you happy. Don't you approve yourself as you are. You approve whatever the way you are, you approve yourself. So morning you will say, get up, oh, I approve myself, and later what I am thinking. How can I approve myself when I am this fat? When I am the how can I buy the home when I don't have the enough money in the bank? Don't do that. Okay. When you are approving, approve as it is and you approve. Suppose if I am fat, let us think I approve myself. I'm not a fat, I'm a healthy, but I want to become a slim. So I will work on my body. I'll become slim. I will work on my body. So take that kind of positive affirmations. Don't take any negative affirmations and don't give a negative thought to your body. First approve as you are. And remember that there is a no power unless there's no power to your thoughts or the words, anything, words told by others or the thought that came to you, there's no power unless you choose to believe it. Some thought might have come, you just let it flow. Some weird thought came, just let it flow. Don't give any energy to that thought. Only it becomes, only when you believe, you start giving energy. Let us take, somebody told you, I'm remembering a conversation in a high school when I go, right? There is a boy and girl talking, and the boy commenting that girl, right? Saying that you are ugly. The girl simply look at him and then she's working on whatever the work that she's doing, she's working. And I'm just observing how the girl will react. Right? So immediately the boy said, don't you feel ashamed when I said you are ugly also you are not responding. She again looked at him and then said, for an ugly eyes, everything looks ugly. And she again kept on doing her work, which means she didn't accept. She has not given any energy to the words of that boy. So her peace was not, her inner peace was not gone anywhere. So only when you give a thought, only when you give an energy to anybody's words or within your thoughts, then only that will have a power. When you don't give any energy, when you don't believe it, then it won't have any power on you. So always remember, don't give unnecessary power to anybody's words. When it is not you, you are not what they think. You are what you think yourself. When I think I'm beautiful, I'm beautiful. If you feel that I'm ugly, that's your thought. Because you are looking with the ugly eyes and your thoughts are ugly, maybe I'm looking like that to you. I don't mind because that is not my thought and I am not accepting your thought. As long as I'm not accepting your thought, whatever the word you say, it doesn't have any power on me. When you believe it, right? So the people will react because if I have myself, okay, if I have a hesitant, right? I'm just wearing a dress. If I'm hesitant that whether this dress is looking good or not, when I go out, somebody says that you this dress don't look good on you, then immediately I'll be so unhappy because I'm already believing that this is good or not, something. I'm already doubting. So when somebody confirming, then I started believing that. But when you know that this is perfect dress and I'm accepting and I'm looking so good and went out, if somebody says that, oh, it is not good for you, I doesn't care because I like this dress. So that kind of confidence we should be having when we are doing it. So you should not give any importance or any energy to the others' words. Then nothing will affect your inner peace. Thoughts have no power. Similarly, not only the other words, your thoughts also. Thoughts have no power unless you give it to them. So unless you give energy to it. So when you are giving energy, why to give the energy to the negative thoughts? Why you do feel that I'm a fat? Oh, I'm healthy. I'm looking so good. I will work on it. So why can't we give energy to the positive thoughts? When we give the energy to the positive thoughts, that words will become stronger, and we are affirming positive things in our life. So the things that we do will affect positively only. To look yourself. So every time you pass a mirror, right? You can do that exercise. We all can do exercise, this exercise, friends. Whenever you are passing the mirror, you stop for a while, look into the mirror, look at yourself, and give a positive affirmation. Oh, you look beautiful today, or you are doing good, something like that. Whatever, every time you pass on the mirror, just give a positive, one positive affirmation. Always you think thoughts that make you happy. Okay, always think the thoughts that make you happy, and do things that makes you happy only, and feel good. The people will, the people, be with the people that makes you happy. Don't be with the people that makes you feel down. Be with the people that give you the positive energy only. So then your life will be very happy, and you will be so confident. As long as you are confident, then you will become, your self-esteem will be so much. So we will see some of the sample affirmations that you can make. You may remember, means I'll give you some of the examples that what you can feel on the self-esteem affirmation. You may not do all the things. You may pick up whatever the things that you like, right? You can pick up and you can practice to increase your self-esteem to these positive affirmations. First thing, I choose to feel good about myself. Always feel, I choose to feel good about myself. Don't feel bad about yourself. I stand on my 2 feet. I accept as my own power. I'm accepting my own power. I'm totally adequate in all situations. It does not matter what other people say or do to me. What matters is how I choose to react and what I choose to believe about myself. So you may think about 100 things about me, but what I choose to believe myself is important. Okay. My self-esteem is very high, and I honor who I am. I don't care what you think about me. I honor who I am. I deserve all that good. My life is more fabulous every day, and I look forward what each new hour is giving to me. I am neither too little nor too much. I do not have to prove myself to anyone. I know what I am. I need not prove to anyone. For each problem that I may create, I am confident that I will get a solution. Life supports me in each and every possible way. I move through life I know I am safe. Divinity is protecting me and guiding me. I accept others as they are. In turn, they will accept me. I am wonderful. I feel great, and I am grateful about my life. I have the self esteem, I have the power, I have confidence, and I move forward in the life with so much ease. These are the affirmations that you may not, you need not do all the things. You can pick up whatever the choice of your words, right? Whatever the way that you like it, pick up couple of things out of these and practice, so that affirm yourself, and your self-esteem will increase. We'll come up with another topic tomorrow. Thank you, thank you, thank you.